In this video, I will show you how you can create this kind of effect where main subject is highlighted and rest of the image has got this overlay effect. So let us start from the scratch. I'm going to delete this layer, and this is our original image. Now we are going to highlight this subject, the lady riding the horse. So for that, what we are going to do is we are going to add another layer. You can see right now there is just one layer over here. So to create a new layer, just click on this button, and then you have to fill this layer with whatever color you want to overlay this image. So I'm gonna select, for example, a red color, and then just fill this using this paint bucket tool. And to get some transparency, you can just change the opacity like this. So let's keep it around 60%. And now we are going to highlight the main subject. So to do that, what you have to do is select this elliptical marquee tool. So it depends like how your subject is. You can choose square marquee tool, rectangular marquee tool, or depending upon the situation, whatever marquee tool you want to use, you can use that. And then just select the main subject. I want to highlight this section, that's why I selected this one. And then with the selection on, what you have to do is go to the eraser and then start erasing this content. So you can see here, so eraser tool will be erasing only that section of the image which is inside of the selection. So it will not erase the rest of the photo. That's it, and it has got really nice effect. So to deselect this selection, just press Ctrl D, and you have very cool looking effect here on this image. So this overlay you can change like whatever color you want. You can use that color and you will get this kind of effect. That's it. Thanks for watching.